This trick is really important for emergency backup situations, where you need to back up essential app data on an iPhone within the 5 GB free space of an iCloud account. Please review this and take a backup before upgrading or downgrading your iPhone. Go to the Settings app on your iPhone, and tap on the Apple ID profile name. Scroll a little bit and tap on iCloud. Then scroll again to the iCloud backup option. See the ongoing backup under the All Device Backup section. First, disable the Photos library. Then enable the rest of the app toggles to back up your whole iPhone within the 5 GB of storage. Check the next backup size and wait for your iPhone to show the estimated size. If it's too large, it's recommended to turn off unwanted or large app backups from the list. Otherwise, you should upgrade your plan as needed. If you haven't taken any previous backups, tap on Backup Now and wait for a few seconds. You will see your iPhone backup appear in the list, even if it's incomplete. Tap on it and disable the Photos library or any other large app backup to fit under the free 5 GB of iCloud storage. Go back and try Backup Now again. Hopefully, this will help you back up all important app data and settings to iCloud for emergency restores. That's it. I hope you liked this video. Don't forget to share and subscribe for new free tech guide video updates. If you have any questions, comment below.